Now, changes in 2004 and PSM. So there is something known as practical skill modules, which have been introduced from 2024 for one, and in the second also will come. PSM for, as per the institute side, the PSM for level 3 will come in 2025. They're still yet to announce anything on it. So what is practical skill modules? CFA Institute has thought that over a period of time, people are only reading books, they're not getting a real-time experience. And they also wanted to include some programming running. So for level 1, you have two PSMs. One is into financial modeling, the other one is Python programming essentials. Now, why are they important? Because if you have not finished this PSM, by the time your result is declared, your result will not be declared. You are not checked or judged on it. You have to finish the course. So if you have not finished your PSM by the time your results are declared, you will be given 90 days to finish.
Is this something, PSM is something like online?
Online, recorded 10 to 12 hours, recorded videos they are giving. You don't have to go anywhere. They have given everything to you.
And do we need to write the exam?
There's no exam as per. No, they have not given anything on the exam. You have to go through the entire thing. As of date, there's no exam information on this, and they will not be part of your main exam also. Yes. Why? Because people need to understand how to put them into practical side. And since we have seen in last 1 year the evolution of AI everywhere, what we were also discussing, we have this Python and SQL in our other programs running from way back. So this is because the world is changing, and analysts should be aware of what is happening in and around them, how to practically implement what they are learning. And that is where PSM has been introduced.
So when we enroll, while enrolling at that time, they will be assigning on our email ID or something?
You will get in the portal itself, CFA Learning portal. You can do both of them. One is essential. If you are good, you finish both of them. They are completely okay. One is essential. Any one of them. It is not that you finish both of them. Any one is essential. And at the time, and if you don't complete it, then your result will get better.
Oh.
One is essential. Anyone you want, you can take any one of them. And my suggestion would be, since it's 10, 12 hours only, once you finish financial statement analysis and become a little good at financials, finish your financial modeling. Good deal here. So as a student, if you have not finished them up, you will not get your result declared. And that's a good thing, because most of us, if we put it in optional, we are not going to listen to it. We'll only just go scroll it up and finish it up as early as possible. No weightage inside the exam. You have to do it. That's it. You have to finish.